Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going through my February 2021 IPSY Glam Bag Plus and regular glam bag. So if you guys would like to see what I received, make sure you stay tuned and make sure you like this video and subscribe so you won't miss any future videos from me. Okay, so I have my box here. I have not opened it. It's still sealed, so let's get into it. Okay, so the statement for this month is send love, and this is what it looks like. All you need is love, maybe a little lipstick too. Ooh, period. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty spurgers, extra whipped cream, YOLO, period. Glossy red nails, you deserve it all. Okay, so let's get into this bag. So we are gonna start off with the regular glam bag. So this is what it looks like this month. It's a bright red. It says sealed with love, and the back closes like an envelope with a little snappy snap. Let's go through these products that's in here this month. This is such a cute bag. I would use this as my lip gloss bag. So all of the products that are in here are travel size, and you get 5 of them, and it's $12 for the regular glam bag. So the first thing that's in here is this Glam Glow Bright Eyes, and this is an illuminating eye cream. I'm definitely gonna be using that because you cannot have too many eye creams. Okay, so the next thing that's in here is from the brand About Face. I think that's what the brand is called. And I have their matte fluid eye paint, and I have this in the shade. Here we go with these names, y'all. I'm gonna say it's Dionysus. And this is what it looks like, and this is a swatch of it on the skin. So this would be exciting to play with. So I guess that's just like a liquid eyeshadow. Okay, so I have a travel size of the Clean It Zero Tri-Peel Acid Cleansing Balm. Okay, so the next thing is this eyeshadow duo, and this is from the company Love You First, and this is the Rose Gold and Ivory shade. So this is what she looks like. This definitely looks really pretty. I don't know if that other shade will show up on me. It might. It just might. So I might need to try this out. Okay, so the last thing in my regular glam bag is this Bite Beauty Outburst Longwear lip stain, and this is in the shade Strawberry Frose. This is really small. So this is what it looks like. It's like really small, but it's like a really cute pink. Okay, so that was the regular glam bag. So now let's get into the Glam Bag Plus. So this is what the Glam Bag Plus looks like. It's in a red bag with kisses, well, not kisses. It has lips all over it, and it has the drawstring opening thingy. Okay, so the first thing I pulled out of my Glam Bag Plus is my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush, and this is the number 707, and this is what she looks like. This is a foundation brush. It's kind of giving me contour. I don't know. Can you guys see what I mean by contour? It's not a thick brush at all. This is definitely a contour brush, because no, who is gonna do their foundation with this brush? And so the next thing I have is this Maelle, I think that's how you say it, the Maelle Sunkissed blush. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Okay, so it has really sleek packaging. This is what it looks like. So that's what the shades look like in the blush. It's a cute palette. Okay, so the next thing I have, so this is bringing back bad memories of A&P, because that looks like a heart. So the next thing is my TokyoMilk Light and Soul Shea Butter Hand Cream. This is like in really fancy packaging. So this is what she looks like. I kind of want to smell it. I'm scared. What if it stank? And I just opened it. Okay, let's put some on, I guess. I'm taking a big step, you guys, by doing this, because you know if you put something on that stinks, it's on you until you wash it off. And here I am adding some more. It's kind of giving grandma. I don't know. It's not grandma, it's just, it's like a mature clean, you know? I don't think I would wear this. My hands feel nice, but they stink. Okay, so next we have this Item Beauty Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara, and I wonder how this is gonna work out, because I actually used their concealer for today's look and I like it. I don't know, we're gonna give this a try. Okay, so the last thing in my Glam Bag Plus is this Gold Fatten MD Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer, and this says that it has vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. I haven't really researched about vitamin D and gooseberry really, so I'm gonna see what that does. It says this it's a multifaceted hydrating moisturizer, delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. Oh no, I'm gonna look into this. This looks interesting. Okay, so that's what's in that bag. Okay, so the total of everything that's in that bag is, in the GLAM BAG Plus, is only $25 a month, which that compared to $25 is kind of lit, but it's a gamble because you don't know what you're gonna get, okay? And the regular GLAM bag is only $12 a month. So both bags, in my opinion, are worth purchasing the monthly subscription of. I personally used to subscribe to the monthly GLAM bag. So I also received a refreshments bag, and you can also add this to one of your IPSY GLAM bags for only $11 a month. This bag will ship for free with your GLAM bag every month. And if you want, you can easily skip the products or cancel anytime. Okay, so in this refreshments bag, I received this pillowy shave cream, and this is in the scent Citrus Spritz. And I also have their hand cream and regular body cream in this scent, and it smells so good. It smells fresh and clean. So the pillowy shave cream says that it creates a whipped creamy lather and softens hair for a smoother moisturizing shave. If you're a member, you get this for $6. This is an $8 value. And then I can't believe this, I actually received this Luxe 5-blade razor kit. So this kit comes with the handle, 2 cartridges, and this is actually a shower hanger. The Luxe 5-blade razor has 5 blades and a soothing strip that provides an extra close shave, helping prevent bumps and burns. If you're a member, you get this for only $5, and this is a $7 value. So I'm definitely gonna be giving these two a try for sure. And I also received some more holographic stickers. If you guys have tried any of these products, make sure you let me know down below, just so I can see what you guys think before I do try it. So baddies, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like it, and make sure you subscribe so you won't miss next month's video. Bye baddies.